Transitioning to solids, 5 easy first purees for 6-month-olds. When you decide to start solids, the first question is usually simple. What food do I start with? Well, you don't need complicated recipes. In the beginning, solids are just a small part of the day. Breast milk or formula is still the main source of nutrition. The foods you offer now are more about them exploring the texture and taste and learning which food creates allergy or intolerance. With that in mind, here are 5 easy purees that make a good start. 6-month-old baby food recipes. 1. Sweet potato puree. Ingredients: 1 small sweet potato, 1 to 2 tablespoon breast milk or formula or water for thinning. How to make: 1. Peel and chop the sweet potato into small cubes. 2. Steam or boil until soft, about 10 to 12 minutes. 3. Blend with a little breast milk or formula or water until smooth. 4. Serve lukewarm. 2. Banana avocado mash. Ingredients: a half-ripe banana, a quarter-ripe avocado. How to make: 1. Mash the banana and avocado together with a fork until smooth. 2. Add a splash of breast milk or formula as needed to achieve a thinner consistency. 3. Serve fresh. 3. Carrot and apple puree. Ingredients: 1 small carrot, peeled and chopped, a half apple, peeled and chopped. How to make: 1. Steam or boil the carrot and apple until tender, about 8 to 10 minutes. 2. Blend into a smooth puree, adding water if needed. 3. Let it cool before serving. 4. Rice cereal. Ingredients: a quarter cup rice, white or brown, 1 cup water or breast milk or formula. How to make: 1. Grind the rice into a fine powder using a blender. 2. Cook over low heat with water, stirring continuously until thickened, 5 to 7 minutes. 3. Mix in breast milk or formula for a smoother texture. 4. Serve at room temperature. 5. Pear puree. Ingredients: 1 ripe pear, 1 to 2 tablespoon water for thinning. How to make: 1. Peel, core, and chop the pear into small pieces. 2. Steam or simmer until soft, about 8 to 10 minutes. 3. Blend with water until smooth. 4. Cool slightly before serving. Starting solids does not need to be complicated. Pick one food, offer a small amount, and see how it goes. Keep it relaxed, simple, and adjust as you go.